Hello my dear students, a very good morning to all of you. So today we are going to start a concept of placeholders and the type of placeholders. So about placeholders we have already discussed in our previous class. So again let us revise what is a placeholder. So if you want to place something, a text, a content, a table, you require a holder to place it. For example, if you want to write some text, you require a text box. If you want to create a table, you require a table content. Okay, so for that you require a holder to place anything. So that is the concept of placeholder. The various types of placeholders are described below. We can add the related information by simply clicking on them. So now let us see the placeholders. So first is title, a text box which is formatted to write a title. Then text. So here you will be able to see the text box. So in this you can write the text, and this is a text box for writing the bulleted list. Then this is the content box located in the middle of the default slide. The slide template is added on clicking on the new slide command. Then this is a table. If you want to insert a table of columns and rows, then you can use this table. And the last one is chart. So this is a chart box which is used to create a chart based on the table of the data. It means what data you have entered in this table, regarding that data you can create the chart. Okay, so these are the placeholders. Next is a smart art which is used to create an organization diagram. Then picture. If you want to insert a picture from your hard drive, from any of the drive of your PC, from your local drive, from the pen drive or any other drive, then you can use this picture placeholder. Then clip art. Clip art are the inbuilt pictures which is present on your computer. So if you want to insert a clip art to your slide, then you can use this clip art placeholder. Last is media clip. If you want to add media clip such as any audio or video file, then you can use this media clip placeholder. Okay, so these are the placeholders. Let us quickly revise the placeholders. First is title, second is text, third is content, fourth table, fifth chart, sixth smart art, seventh picture, eighth clip art, and ninth media clip. Now let us see how to move a placeholder. If you have already inserted a placeholder, now you want to move it to the new position, then how it is possible? Moving a placeholder like a text box is easy. We can move the mouse pointer to any edge of the placeholder where there is no sizing handle. The mouse pointer changes to a move pointer as shown. Now we can click and then drag the placeholder wherever you want it on the screen. So let us see it practically. If you want to move a placeholder from here to here, then you have to just move a mouse pointer. So this is the edge of the placeholder. So where you will see a sizing handle will be appear. So you will see that a mouse pointer will change to the move pointer. Like this you will see that edge, on the edge this pointer will be appear. So you can just drag that arrow, you can just drag that move pointer to the screen wherever you want. Okay, so this is how you can move a placeholder. Then if you want to change the size of the placeholder, if you want to increase or decrease the size of the placeholder, then how you can resize it? A placeholder has several round sizing handle around the edges. These sizing handles are used to make the placeholder larger or smaller. On moving the mouse pointer on the sizing handle, it turns into the double-headed arrow. So this is a double-headed arrow. So like this it will appear. We can click and drag the mouse to increase the size. If you want to increase the size, you have to drag it outer side. Then the size will be increased. If you want to decrease the size, then you have to drag it in inner side. You will see that the size will get decreased. The dimensions of the placeholder. We can also rotate the placeholder by clicking on the green circular handles. Okay, so here you will see that increasing the size of the placeholder. So like that you can increase the size of the placeholder, and this is decreasing the size of the placeholder. Okay, so this is how you can increase and decrease the size of the placeholder. Now the next is deleting the placeholders. To delete a placeholder, we can click on the edge of the placeholder and press the delete key from the keyboard. You will find the delete key from the keyboard. So first you have to click on that edge. We have already learned about the edge. It means the side corner of a picture. So first you have to click on that edge and afterwards you have to press the delete key from the keyboard. The placeholder deletes all the changes we have made and reverts it into the original size and the location. On pressing the delete key on the keyboard again, the placeholder is completely deleted from the slide. So first when you will click on the delete key, you will see that all the changes you have made will be vanished and it will be the original placeholder. It means it will come into its original size and the original location. If you want to delete it from the slide, if you want to completely delete it, then again you have to press the delete key. So if you press the delete key 2 times, then only the placeholder will get completely deleted. If we end up deleting something by accident, we can use the undo command to bring it back. Okay, so we already have seen about the undo and the redo command in our previous classes, in our previous lectures, also in your previous classes also. So if you want to revert anything back, something by accident it is being deleted by you want it back, then you can get it back using an undo command. Okay, so here we are finishing our class with this concept of placeholders. We will start with how to format the text in our next period. For now, bye bye, have a great day ahead.